Hello children, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Betty Gurula and this class is for class 6 subject chemistry. Here I am going to teach you the topic drought. This is from chapter 16 water. We have seen the skill and the importance of water in the previous videos. So today we will see what is drought. Drought is a condition where there is no rainfall for a long period of time. We know that after the summer season, the rainy season comes, and if the rainy season does not come or if it is delayed, there will be shortage of water. The summer season in India is followed by rainy season or monsoon. This rainy season is also called a monsoon. In summers, due to excessive heat, the shortage of water occurs. If the monsoon season fails to arrive or delayed, it leads to severe shortage of water throughout the year. We know that during summer season, we can see the river, lakes, ponds everywhere. It will become dry sometimes, and the water level will be low. And the same is with the underground water also, because we use the water, underground water from the wells or the tube wells, and the level of that also go down. And if the rain does not come at right place, what will happen? The water level in the underground water cannot be replenished. So there will be a severe shortage of water. And some of the effects are, because of that the farmers cannot grow plants, and therefore there is no food. There will be scarcity of food. In the same is with animals also. There will be no fodder, as the farmers cannot grow any plants. So the soil becomes dry and the level of water in ponds and wells of the region goes down, and some of them may even dry up. The groundwater may also become scarce. Such a long period when there is little or no rain is known as drought. So drought is a period where there is no rainfall for a long period of time, and that leads to severe shortage of water. Now, if the monsoon fails or a given place does not receive adequate water or rainfall for several years in a row, it leads to severe drought conditions. In drought conditions, it is difficult to get food and fodder. Crops dry up and do not grow without adequate water. The land becomes dry and its top layer is blown away. The land also becomes dry because of this. The top layer can be blown away, and that leads to soil erosion. Now, this further reduces crop production as the soil becomes infertile. The natural vegetation also dries up due to acute scarcity of water. The farmers are not able to grow enough food to sell and make money. So they also find it very difficult, because they are unable to grow the plants and they don't get money also. This leads to poverty. People and animals start dying due to shortage of water and food. Such a condition is called famine. So if there is no food for a long period of time, people and animals also die because of starvation, and that is called a famine. In such places, diseases spread and many people even die due to these diseases. So because of these reasons, many people as well as many animals also die due to non-availability of food, and such a condition is called a famine, Famine. Now we know that in some places in India they get little or no rainfall. Example, Rajasthan, then North Jammu Kashmir, that is Ladakh, then some areas in Punjab, Haryana, Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, West Rajasthan, Gujarat, etc. These places they get little or no rain. Some of the places in 3 states. Now, this is about drought. In the next video, we will see what is flood and what are the effects of flood. Thank you so much.